Hi, my name's Michelle Darby and I like to cook, and my love language is food. So how I like to do that is cook beautiful food for my family and friends through nourishing their mind, body and soul. That's my philosophy when it comes to cooking. So if you make it from scratch in the home cooking, then you've got to make it right, and it's got to be beautiful for your family, and the love goes in, so therefore it tastes better. So stay tuned, and I'm going to show you a few things that I like to cook, and we're going to make this pasta in bits and pieces. So look forward to talking more with you about food and sharing my joys with you. Bye.